Get all your clips ready. Duplicate the main project. Now open the duplicated project. Delete the intro of your video and delete the audio too. Now select all layers, make a group. And export it. After that, open the Node Video app and add the exported clips. Now separate the clips. You might find glitches. Like me, for example. Here I see a random one, frame clip, and I don't want that because it's a glitch, so I will remove only the part where the glitch is and leave that gap empty. We will fix that later. Just do it with all clips. After that, add time remap, then add a keyframe at the start, even if it's already there. Then add one more in the middle. Then click on the first keyframe, drag it to the end of the clip, and add one more keyframe at the start. Then add the same easing as me in the middle of both of them. Now repeat this step for all other clips.
Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the water is covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who help my cries and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
Now export it. Open Alight Motion. Now duplicate the main project. Open it. And delete everything except the intro and audio. Then add your reversed clip thingy. Remove those unnecessary black frames and do what I am doing and try to understand how it works.
Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Some days I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. content. Hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. Humanity's consumption. Breathe faster to wake oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Just tripping on dead dreams, got dirty little lullabies playing. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep. Last night all I think about is you. Don't stop it, you can walk through. Oh mama, I think about you. You know that I never gonna lose.
Now add null layers like me. Listen carefully. We will add 3 keyframes, one at the start, 1 inch the middle, and 1 at the end. Oh wait, I forgot to link all layers to null. Connect all clips to their own null layers. Add a zoom in middle keyframe on the null layer. The most common values for zooms in these kinds of edits are mostly 70, 65. For this one, I am going to use 65. Now recreate the same graph we made in Node video. Copy it, paste it, and reverse it. Now go to the second clip. Add 1 keyframe in the middle. Then look at the last clip. See? It's 65 inches the middle and 50 at the starting and ending. So on the next clip, I will do the opposite. I will do 65 at the starting and ending instead of the middle, and 50 inches the middle instead of the starting and ending. I am not going to speed up this part so you can understand how to do it. After doing that in the first 2 clips, repeat that step.